my name is Peter Georgiadis and I'm an assistant head teacher at Claremont High School. There are about 1,600 students at the school, and we decided that to alleviate the pressures from our canteen, we would build a canopy. We decided to cover the area because we wanted to provide a second sheltered area for our school so that our students have a space to eat and be protected from the elements. I was very impressed with all the stages of getting the drawings, the quotation, presentation and instalment of the canopy. A&S Landscape are not a large organisation, and I felt that they could give us the care and attention that was required. A&S Landscape was excellent, their communication at each stage was precise and constructive. We negotiated design and their professional expertise was excellent, especially installing the curved rather than the sloping canopy. Staff at A&S Landscape were honest, professional, helpful and totally trustworthy. The canopy has made a massive difference because even if it's raining, children can sit under the canopy and eat their lunch or study. We took A&S Landscape's advice about aluminium guttering, and that at the moment seems to be working really, really well. And I have already recommended A&S Landscapes to 2 other schools. Thank you.